I'm very excited to share my research results with you. Thank you for inviting me, and in this presentation, I'm going to talk about creating a better USB. The title is Better USB, but this is a kind of tool for security testing. Yes, I'm a security researcher at NSR of South Korea, and I'm also an operating system and firmware developer and an author of the book series titled 64-bit multi-core OS Principles and Structures, Volume 1 and Volume 2. You can find these books at Amazon. Yes, and my nickname is 까마귀, crow or raven in English, and additionally, I like email very much, so if you have any question about this presentation, feel free to email me or ask to me, yes. This is the contents page. First, I will tell you a background of my research, Ironhide. Second, I will show you how you hack a portable charger with Ironhide. Third, I will show how you use a hacked portable charger. And finally, I will show some interesting stuff. Background of my research. Do you know him? No? Transformer. Yeah, Transformer. Who? Ironhide. Yeah, Ironhide. Oh, thank you. Yes.
Everybody knew that. Just one person said
yes.
that.
The project name came from his name. Ironhide is a weapon specialist and supports his friend with his weapons. My project, Ironhide, can support you like him. Ironhide is basically a human interface device for making your own tools. Human interface device, HID, is supported from PCs to smartphones, and HID does not need a specific device driver. These are strengths of the HID device. Ironhide is based on HID, but Ironhide can be another types of USB, such as a mass storage. I will explain this later. Ironhide features. It has a custom device, a firmware, a test agent program, and an Android smartphone program. It can exploit various types of systems such as point of sale, as you know, POS systems, PCs, and Androids. It is lightweight embedded hardware based. Ironhide uses two kinds of embedded hardware, Arduino and Teensy. The important thing is that Ironhide is an open source project. So if you want to make or hack a device, just start it with Ironhide. Here is the link of Ironhide project. Now I'm preparing the source code for release. Therefore, it will be released in a couple of days. This page shows the feature of Arduino and Teensy. Two boards are both popular and low-powered embedded hardware, and they have a convenient IDE for programming, as known as Sketch. And Arduino is larger than Teensy, but more powerful than Teensy. So, therefore, Arduino is suitable for hacking large and complex devices. Teensy is very small, so it is suitable for hacking small devices. This is a simple diagram of Ironhide architecture. Ironhide has three parts. First part is a custom device, which is on the center of the page. The custom device is composed of embedded hardware and wireless communication modules. Custom device is attached onto commercial devices such as portable chargers, card readers, and keyboards. The device which Ironhide is attached onto becomes a proxy device. The proxy device is in charge of making a channel between a commander program and test agent program. Second part is a test agent program, which is on the right side of the page. The test agent program helps the custom device to dive into a POS system and a PC. The custom device has the test agent program inside and installs into the POS and the PC. The last part is commander program, which is on the left side of the page, and the commander program has interface for you and controls the custom device via wireless connections. You can use all functions of Ironhide using the commander program. This is detailed diagram of Ironhide architecture. In your smartphone, Ironhide commander is running, and you can execute shell commands, send keyboard events, capture screens, and get files from the target system. The commander sends these requests to the custom device. The custom device has three parts: a firmware, an embedded hardware, and a wireless module. Ironhide firmware is the core part of the custom device. It takes charge of USB function supports. It transfers requests of the commander to the target system and transfers results back to the commander. The firmware has a HID device, HID function and a mass storage function. It has a CD-ROM image for installing the test agent program into target systems. The test agent program takes charge of processing requests of the Ironhide. Yes. Let's dive into the Ironhide. Ironhide firmware has one interrupt type endpoint for sending and logging keyboard events. And it has two bulk type endpoints for installing the test agent program. It also has one control type endpoint for making a channel between the test agent program and the commander program. Do you know the endpoint? USB endpoint? No? USB endpoint is for virtual device to communicate to each other. So you think you think the virtual device? Yes, yeah. If you have question about this, please ask me later. Yes. The test agent program processes shell commands via the command line shell, for example, cmd.exe, whereas it processes screen captures and file transfers by itself using system APIs. The commander has a control tab for managing Ironhide status, command tab for sending commands, and keyboard tab for sending and logging keyboard events. These tabs can be used for finding security holes of target systems. I will show this later. And here is the protocol of Ironhide. Ironhide uses simple protocol for communicating each component. If you want to add new feature or Ironhide or improve performance of Ironhide, change or rebuild this protocol. Yes. Now we are ready to launch and choose a target to attach it. Yes, you know, everyone wants portable charger. We use the smartphone and the pads everywhere, and we spend so much time with them. But you know, they doesn't have enough battery for you. So you should bring your own charger, or maybe you should find outlet and defeat your enemies. Yes. So there are so many portable chargers in the world. You should buy one of them for your smartphone life. And there are so many battery rental services for you. Wait a second. You totally believe your portable charger in your hand or on your desktop, on your desk. Power shock. Power shock is the thing that blow you up. It is a portable charger, but not normal, because it has Ironhide inside it. It can test Android smartphones, POS systems, and your PCs. It is maybe perfect weapon for penetration testers. The next step is hacking a portable charger. For disassembling the portable charger, you should prepare some tools such as friction tapes, drivers, pin sets, soldering iron, nipper, and a tester. You do not need to prepare all of these tools, but if you prepare them, they can help you to solve your problems while you disassembling the portable charger. This is the inside of the portable charger. Oh, sorry. Yes, unsecure. Don't open again. Sorry. I didn't know that. There are many kinds of portable charger, but they have almost the same architecture like this. There are only a charger module and battery cells. The only difference between low and high capacity model is the number of battery cells. If you have a high capacity model, congratulate. You can put many things in your portable charger. My portable charger got 4 batteries. Yes. So let's make some space for Ironhide. Battery cells in the portable charger are connected in parallels. Therefore, the portable charger works fine if you cut off some battery cells like this. It's fine. The power of portable charger will decrease, but don't mind. You will get another power soon. Just cut off them. This is pin layouts of a charger board. Basically, portable charger has more than 2 ports. One is for recharging itself. Others are for charging smartphones or a pad. In this picture, the left port is for recharging, so it is connected with PC. If you attach Ironhide onto this port, you can access the target system directly. The right port is for smartphone, and if you attach Ironhide onto that port, you can also access the smartphone. The USB port has 4 or 5 pins, and the pin sequence is very important. If you don't know pin sequence, you can find it from the datasheet where all useful data live. This is the datasheet. Yeah. These are 3 types of USB connectors: micro type, and A type, and mini type. You can find the pin sequence from this picture. Yes. Number 1, number 5. This may be 2, 3, 4. Yeah. VCC and ground. Almost the same. Yes. If you analyzed the portable charger, then you make a custom device of Ironhide. Ironhide is composed of an embedded hardware and wireless communication modules. This is a TNC and Bluetooth version of Ironhide. TNC has a hardware module for serial communications, and TNC and Bluetooth module communicate through the serial protocol. The left picture shows pin layouts of TNC. The D2 RX pin of TNC receives data from the Bluetooth module, and the D3 TX pin sends data to the Bluetooth module. The right picture shows the pin layout of the Bluetooth module, and every Bluetooth module has its own pin layout, but it usually has 4 important pins, which are VCC, ground, TX, and RX. For communication between TNC and Bluetooth board, connection the D2 RX pin of TNC to the TX pin of the module, and the D3 TX pin of TNC to the RX pin of the module. Yes. You can the connection here, and you finally got the power. This is the power shock. You assemble the portable charger and test if it works fine. The right picture shows that the original function of my portable charger, recharging function, yes, works fine. By the way, you are not ready yet. You need one more thing. The thing is OTG cable. This is OTG cable, and it activates the USB host function of smartphones. Therefore, you can connect various types of USB peripherals such as keyboards, USB drives, and card readers. This is the final piece of the puzzle. You can easily buy the OTG cable from online stores, but we have one problem. They have a female connector. Therefore, if you want to connect PowerShock to your smartphone, you should use an additional male-to-male cables. So this is the picture which shows what you do. A smartphone and PowerShock and cables and connections. Actually, I don't want to have many cables, so let's make your custom OTG cable for reducing the number of cables. Making a custom OTG cable is very simple. You just disassemble the cable and solder ID pin number 4 and ground pin number 5. After that, reassemble a cable and go to the next step. The next step is testing a vulnerability of smartphone using PowerShock. As you know, there was a pin vulnerability which allows an attacker to brute force pin unlimitedly. Recent Android smartphones already patched this vulnerability, but all the smartphones still have it. My smartphone also have it yet. This is the way that you check the pin vulnerability of a smartphone. Commonly, pin lock method in Android has a time-consuming function to prevent an attacker from brute forcing pins. But an auxiliary pin, in this case backup pin, could be still vulnerable. Let's follow the flow diagram. If you use a pattern lock and you set a backup pin and you can type the backup pin unlimitedly, you are totally dangerous. In other case, you are maybe safe, but don't believe my words. You know, the attackers are finding vulnerabilities to defeat your smartphones. If you find a pin vulnerability in your smartphone, yes, connect PowerShock to the smartphone with the OTG cable. Then PowerShock brute forces pin automatically. It can send pins I quickly. Yes. So if someone asks you to charge their smartphones, you gradually charge it with PowerShock, and you will unlock the smartphone. Yes. Demo time. Yeah, you wait for a long time. Yeah. Let me show two videos about PowerShock. One thing is about pin brute force, and the other thing is hidden menu tester. This is the pin brute force video. Wait a second. And go. Yeah. Before testing, configure a lock screen lock screen patterns first. Sorry. Draw and draw pattern again, and set a backup pin. Type backup pin again. And now try with long patterns intentionally to enter the backup pin code. Wrong, yes. The backup pin menu is activated, and now you can type the backup pin. Test if you can type pins unlimitedly. Yes, I can type the pin unlimitedly without time-consuming function. So plug the PowerShock into smartphone, and then it brute forces pins automatically. After a while, smartphone is unlocked. Yes, and yes, finish it. Yeah. This is a simple video which shows how to use PowerShock. This is a very famous video. Everyone tried to brute force pins. So I prepared the next video. The next video is hidden menu tester. Oops. Wait a second. This is hidden menu tester. Yes. For testing, plug PowerShock into an Android smartphone first. And now PowerShock is activated. The Ironhide commander sender run commands for starting hidden menu tester. Ironhide enters various hidden menu commands for different manufacturers. For example, Samsung, LG, Google, and HTC. And Ironhide also enters various hidden menu commands for different mobile operators. For example, AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. Yeah. Yes. Finally, you've got the hidden menu. If the test was finished, Ironhide automatically notifies commander via email, SMS, and so on. In this case, email. Yes. Okay. Send complete. For a while, you've got an email from PowerShock, and you can see the message from Ironhide. Okay, let's go back to the presentation. Oh, additionally, Ironhide has the table of the hidden commands. So, if you want change or add some hidden commands, you edit the file of Ironhide and change or add something in tables. Okay. The next step is testing a vulnerability of the POS system and the PC. Recently, non-PC based POS system using an iPad or an Android tab are increasing, but PC based POS systems still has a large portion of market share. You know, a PC based POS system is just a PC. Therefore, they also have many kinds of I/O ports like this: USBs, LANs, serial ports, parallel ports, and PS2 ports. If you can plug PowerShock into the POS system, what will happen to it? We can do interesting behaviors like testing vulnerabilities or gaining control just for fun, and so on. If the POS system has a vulnerability such as CD-ROM or USB autorun, the test agent program is installed into the POS system via CD-ROM function of Ironhide. If the POS system has no well-known vulnerabilities, there is no problem. You can start the test agent program by sending keyboard events. For example, open run menu using the combination of window key and R key, and execute the test agent program by sending key sequence such as d:\testagent.exe. Demo time again. Let me show one video about PowerShock. This is POS system test video. Wait a second. Yes. The left side of the video has a wide view and shows the testing sequence, and the right side of the video focuses on Ironhide commander. For testing, plug PowerShock into the POS system, and now PowerShock is activated. Run Ironhide commander and connect to PowerShock with Bluetooth network. Yes, connected. After that, you can send various commands and keyboard events using commander program. Now you send the mount command to PowerShock, then it mounts a CD-ROM to the POS system. If the POS system has vulnerabilities, you can get the shell prompt like this. If you can get shell prompt, you can explore the local file system or a list of running processes. This file list and a task list. You can see the test agent.exe process at least over there. Yes, and now someone orders foods and beverages. Then pay with his credit card. And the card number is displayed on the screen. At this time, you snap the screen by sending a capture command, and the captured image can be sent out. The test agent program is sending a screen image, and after a while, just a moment. Okay, confirm the transferred image. And you want to execute a local program, send keyboard events using the commander program. Send window key and R key to open run menu, and send notepad and enter. Now you can see a notepad program at the left side. Say hello to the clock. The font is too small, so you cannot see the message, but I'm hardly typing it. Hello, this is Ironhide, and enter. Yes, finished. And if you want to get a file, send a download command using commander program. In this case, download customer list file. Yeah. I'm also hardly typing it. Customer list file. Okay. Typing is complete. And the file is transferred. Okay. Confirm the transferred file. You can see the information of it in it. Yes. Okay. The final demo is ended. Let's go back to the presentation. This is bonus pages. I think I have so much time to explain this, so I think I should explain. The bonus pages are about keyboard shock and leader shock. You have an inkling. This is leader shock. Yes, I know. I wasted my precious cables, but I wanted to look like a hardcore hardware hacker like others. And you know, a hardcore hardware hackers does not save their cables. Anyway, keyboard shock has Ironhide inside it, and Ironhide works like a keyboard. Attach Ironhide onto USB keyboards and give them to your colleagues. The more expensive, the better. For making keyboard shock, you should find out a key matrix of the keyboard. Each keyboard has its own key matrix, and you can find it using a tester like this. Touch one lead of the tester to a pad of a key switch, and touch another lead to pads of the controller, here and here. If they are connected, you can hear the beep sound, beep, and then you can find the full matrix of the keyboard. Yeah, this is the matrix. In source code of Ironhide, it had already 3 kinds of keyboard matrix. For making your own keyboard shack, find the matrix and just change the matrix configuration in the source code. And this is reader shack. Reader shack is very simple. You just solder Ironhide and USB ports of the card readers. Give also reader shack to your colleagues. And then you become more familiar with them. You can show who you are by sending some special command, such as format C drive /Q or open normal file. And you can say hello to your colleagues by sending some keyboard events whenever you want. Hi, hello, it's me. What are you doing? Blah, blah, blah. And you can understand them deeply by snapping their screens or getting their vacation schedule file. If you are lucky, you can go on vacation with your colleagues and surprise them. Try it and let me know your achievement. This page shows resources of Ironhide. Ironhide has many parts, and they utilize this hardware and software. I extend my thanks to them. Thank you. This is the last page. And he's coming. Oh,
Thank you, Seunghun.
I'm afraid. Yeah.
I have a mic here for any questions anyone has.
Oh, I have some words to say.
Go ahead. It's all yours still.
Sorry. I will be waiting always for your email. So, if you have any question or idea, please email me. As I mentioned, I'm preparing the source code of Ironhide, so it will be released soon. If you want to get the source code immediately, please email me or watch my Twitters. Thank you. Your turn.
Fantastic. Are there any questions for Seunghun?
I can hear you. What?
How did you get the screenshot back?
Ah. I understand you. Yes. I should show the architecture diagram. The screenshot sends from the test agent program. So the test agent program captures the screen and save the file and then send to Ironhide commander. So you can see the screenshot in your smartphone or pad.
Does that answer your question? Yeah. Great. Any further questions?
Yes, I was wondering, did you rewrite any firmware for the TNC or the Arduino cards?
Did everybody hear that in the back? Did everybody hear that?
Rephrase it?
No, I just think the mic was off.
Yep. Please tell me again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mic should be on now? Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I was wondering whether you rewrote any firmware or whether you just used the ordinary sketches from the Arduino or the TNC hardware. So did you just use the ordinary sketch writing ability, or did you rewrite any firmware?
Okay. You mean I used only sketch or something, some tools for building my Ironhide? Yeah. Actually, I do not use sketch. Yeah, I want to become a hardcore hacker, so yes. So I use the Discord, LUFA. lightweight USB framework for Atmel. Maybe Atmel, yeah. Atmel. Yeah. So I use that this source code, and I made my firmware from scratch. Yes.
Okay, so indeed you rewrote all functionality at a low level.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Okay, thank you.
Any other hands, questions? Right here.
Do you have any plans at the moment to write a custom payload as an extension for Ironhide, so you could trigger a Metasploit reverse shell or something?
Okay. Good question. I have the plan that I will add the function that commander send the payload to the test agent program. So maybe 3 or 4 months later, the function will be added. Just watch my Twitter and project. Thank you.
Anyone else? Okay, please give a warm applause from all the way from South Korea, Seunghun.
Thank you.